Mustang with that slime green wrap on it. The Wades, Forgiatos, gold face chrome lip. Clean, man. Sitting on 6s. Coast to coast, back at it again. Something different. Something different. Big cap. Clean, man. Clean. This is nice. Boy's got a little nasty stereo in there too. Looking good, looking good. Looks real good. Boys. Look at that Ford now. Look at it rolling. That floating. With those brush tips on there. Baby, you see it? Woo! Woo! Bahamas! Tell them, bro! Tell them what time it is. Woo! My man, Bahamas, baby! You see it? Represent! Represent the islands, guys! For all you Bahamians out there. Best talk you've ever had, the Bahamas. Woo! '24s on the V12. Like I said, guys, stay in your lane, man. Stay in your lane. Got the V12, a little bit older. I got 4's monoblocks on there. Looks good. Looks clean. Gonna go back to the paint, put it back together again. Good looking wheel. Custom lift on here. Aluminum arms. Built it. There you go. Got yourself 2024 Chevy pickup truck 1500 right out there. 305 3524s. Madison Frost wheels. Beautiful truck. 24 sit perfect on these vehicles. Sits nice. Coast to coast customs back at it. Beautiful truck. Sherby Coast to Coast Customs and off-road is back. Off-road is always in and kicking. I have these new wheels, are 20 by 12s. Just came in 3-piece, chrome lip, brush center, and a black inner barrel. 20 by 12. I have a couple sets. I got 6 and 135 for all your Fords. I got 6 and 139 for you Chevys. And I got 5 and 150 for your older Tundras. 5 and 150, 6 and 139, 6 and 135. Call us. We got a couple sets to stock. 20 by 12s. These are 3-piece off-road wheels. Listen, we'll give you deals. I bought them right. I'll give the deals back to my customers. Always coast to coast with the best deals and prices. Peace.